Hey everybody, welcome back to Tracy's Natural Health. Today we're going to be making dry shampoo. Many people these days are making dry shampoo so that they don't have to wash their hair daily and decrease the number of natural hair oils that they're losing through shampooing. Why would you make your own as opposed to going to the store and just buying it? As I've mentioned in a previous video, there's a website called the Environmental Working Group, and they have a section on there called Skin Deep. What you can do is go on there with your specific brand of dry shampoo or any personal care product and put it in, and it will come up and show you all of the toxic chemicals that are in the product you're using. Some of the ingredients are good, they're fine, and other ones are on the more toxic side, and it will let you know that. By making your own, you'll be able to control the ingredients that go into your dry shampoo, and you can feel better about that. When you spray dry shampoo onto your scalp and close to your roots of your hair, the chemicals can easily be absorbed through your scalp and go into your bloodstream, or also you can breathe the chemicals in when you spray it and also end up in your bloodstream. The solution is to make your own dry shampoo so that you know exactly what's in there. And in this recipe, it's quite simple. There's arrowroot powder, 3 essential oils, lavender, cedarwood, and rosemary, and also cocoa if you have darker hair, or a red cocoa powder if you're a redhead. So quite simple. Just a quick comment on essential oils. Just do your research and make sure that you're comfortable with the oils you use. The essential oil industry is very unregulated, and many oils are adulterated with chemicals. And the companies do that so that they can decrease their cost when they're making the essential oils. I have chosen Young Living for doing my videos because of their seed to seal promise. They control the entire process from growing the plants, harvesting, distilling the oil, and bottling the essential oil right on site. So that is why I use that company. So let's get to it. First, add 8 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. This is the main ingredient that soaks up excess oils from your hair. Next, add 4 drops of lavender essential oil, then 4 drops of cedarwood, and finally 4 drops of rosemary. These 3 oils are awesome for hair health and shine. This is the end of the recipe if you have lighter hair or blonde hair. For dark hair, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a better color match, or you can also add red cocoa powder if you are a redhead. You can now put your finished product into a spice shaker and shake it onto the roots of your hair, or put it in a mason jar and use a makeup brush if you prefer that method of application. So now I'm going to do a price comparison. The price for a conventional dry shampoo is approximately $9 to $10 for a 200 milliliter bottle. To make your own with the ingredients we have here today is $1.50 to $2, depending on whether you have to add cocoa powder in and what quality of ingredients you buy and what store you buy them at. You can get your ingredients at the bulk food store to make it more cost effective, and you can take in your own bottles to decrease the amount of packaging that you have to throw into the garbage or recycle. I believe the homemade version should last as long as the store-bought version, but I haven't tested this, so don't hold me to that. So thank you for watching today. If you decide to try this recipe, please let me know what you think about it. If you like the video, give it the thumbs up and hit subscribe, and have a great day.